first way, but I kept that shit 100 since the first day. I deserve it all. Yeah.
Hey, what's good? What's your poppin' with you? You already know by the title what's going on. So we just gonna jump right into it. So at first I started actually sectioning off my hair and combing it out. The day before I flat ironed it, and this is how it looks, so it didn't work out. Forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell as well, because I will be posting every week, period. So as you can see, I started parting out the bangs for the front part. I'm actually just going to twist them down and leave it like that until it's time to actually flat iron the front part. So after I finished doing the 2 bang parts in front, I started working on the ponytails. I actually had to recomb it because it got nappy in the roots, so don't mind me, and I used the brush. Subscribe, turn on the notification button, period. But anyways, I reparted the part to make sure it was straight, and I actually recombed it again because nap, yeah. And then I'm kind of tending it, but yeah, I actually did that for both sides. And then I just started adding on a gel and smoothing it out so I can end up pinning it in a ponytail. Basically, I just put the gel all around my hair. I'm trying to get y'all a close up, but yeah, and brushed it as good as I could. I used the scalp brush and the wig brush because I need to get into them roots and get it slick, period. So after I did that, I actually started trying to work on the ponytail and get it in the right position and added more gel. So after I decided how I wanted my ponytail to be, I actually put that in a ponytail and then brushed it as well. I added more gel, brushed it again to make sure it's slicked down. Then I added an extra rubber band at the end because my hair flies into my eyes and I hate that. So that's why I added the one on the end, and I actually did the same thing to the other side. Added the gel, brushed it, and put it in a ponytail, and then secured it at the end with more gel. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notification button once again, but period. Then I started working on the front part. I didn't actually start doing the bangs yet. I was working on my edges. Just had to get the parts and stuff right. I added the gel. Then I went over it with my comb, fixed the parts up so it won't look too tacky. Then I started working on my edges, doing them little cute little swoops, but period. I'm actually using Eco Styling Gel. I mean, I used it in the past, but it didn't work how it's working now. Like as I speak, it's still, when I put it on, it still look the same, But yeah. So after I got done with that, I started working on the bangs, actually fixing the parts, but I didn't actually flat iron it to the end, so you will see that, but I'm just actually combing it out, separating it, and clipping it down so I don't have to do it later, period. But yeah, just stay tuned. Then I started working on the ponytails, which is my favorite part. So I combed it out, I fluffed it out, and I actually parted in the middle like I was gonna do a bun, but not really, and then just wrapped it around. I love doing my ponytails like this, like that's so cute. Then put the little rubber band on it. But hope you guys enjoying, period. And I just did the same, combed it, fluffed it out until like it's about to be a bun, but not really, then brushed it and wrapped it. Now these ponytails be looking on fleek, okay? I love them. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking, okay? Then I went in with my gel to go over everything. Once again, I said I'm using a lot of gel, so what? I brushed it, period, and then I blow dried it so it can be on point, sitting right, and just looking cute, period. Then finally, I'm starting on the bangs, you guys. Taking out the bobby pins and stuff, the clips, separating it. Now this is why I separated earlier, so it can be like already ready. So all I did was took my comb, combed it out, took my little flat iron and flat iron that thing, and boom, my little finishing look. But y'all see that, y'all look, watch this. Boom. What it was, cute, all cute. And then I just did the same thing to the other side, nothing major. I also will include an extra clip when I curled it, so yeah. Okay, you guys, I'm actually adding more gel to the roots and combing it out with the little edge brush, just because I wanted to let it be slicked down. But it depends on what you want to do. You don't have to add so much gel like me. You will get this finishing look as well. So don't forget to comment down below and rate this hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, 1 out of 10, you guys, 1 out of 10. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification button, and don't forget to comment down below and rate this hairstyle. And also you can comment down below what you think I should do next as well. But this is a bonus little clip. I actually curled it, but this is just a bonus clip. I was just playing around. But comment down below which one you think you like better, curls or straight. But thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Come back for more. I will be posting every week, so just stay tuned, period. Peace.